Hey people, how are you doing today? So we are going to install Royal Enfield SADDLESTAY and then ZANA TopRack. This is what we are going to do. For this you would need 5 and 6 Allen key. 5 and 6. Mostly we require 5 and 6 Allen key and then 10 size spanner. That's all.
What is this size?
6.
Oh my god, check out the crowd. Let's see if we can eat something out here. Oh god, I don't get a bike park. Today we will go ahead and install saddle stay for Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 2021 model. Okay, it is the original saddle stay from Royal Enfield. He got it for 2,800 rupees from Royal Enfield showroom itself. He is planning to install it by himself. So in the meanwhile, I thought I'll share this information with you guys so then you will know how easy it is. Hey guys, so today we are at VGS and now we are going to install ZANA TopRack BS6 2021 Himalayan. Okay, let's see how it goes. So this is the bike. So for the sake of look, he has already removed the sari guard. So let me show you how it looks after removing the sari guard. It gives scrambler look, and then he's already removed this top rack. It's nothing to show you. It's already there in my video earlier. So it is just 4 screws, 1, 2 and then 3, 4. That's it. Okay, so it is already removed and the sari guard is already removed. Okay, so let us see how it goes. We are going to install ZANA TopRack. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Here, have a look at this bike, guys. Right now we have removed the top rack, stock top rack and then Royal Enfield sari guard. So this is how it looks. Okay. This bike has got Barkbuster handguard. This Barkbuster handguard is available at VGS for all bikes. Installation of this ZANA top rack is so easy. It is like you just have to remove the seat and then remove the stock top rack and install 4 screws. That's it. It's as simple as that. And yes, we have completed the installation and this is how the final look is. Just with the ZANA top rack. Now that we have installed the ZANA TopRack, now we will go ahead and install the Royal Enfield SADDLESTAY. First we will unbox this Royal Enfield SADDLESTAY and see what is inside the box. So this is what you get. This is the removed one, stock one, which we removed it. So this is what you get inside the box. A pack of screws and then this one. Okay, this is how it came inside. Unboxing it. Okay, this one, then screws, one pair of wires, instruction manual, and then the other part I'll show you. This one, brake light extender. The first process is to remove the brake light and install the given extender for the brake light. Make sure that wire is coming underneath the extender. Okay. We had a problem. Because of this ZANA TopRack, we were not able to install this extender. So the lesson is first install this extender first and then install the TopRack. Okay. Here it is getting disturbed. Now install?
No, it won't.
The left side screw went inside without any problem. We were not able to tighten the right side screw for this brake light extender.
Now try to install it first. Put one screw first. Now put the other screw.
If you see carefully, we were not able to tighten the right side screw because of this ZANA top rack. Watch very carefully. Now slightly I lifted the ZANA top rack and then we were able to tighten the screw.
Now put the screw.
And now we have to install the ZANA top rack screw.
Wait. Put that screw also. Don't tighten too much. Chanti, आओ. तुम्हारा काम करो. V-Gears official mechanic. Remove your helmet. Chanti. Okay? Check the brake. Brake light working. Okay. This one and this one.
The next thing is we got to remove these two screws from each side. These are the screws which comes inside the box. At first we tried to install this saddle stay with the given screws. However, we were not confident, so we then used lock kit.
Locket
If you put this, you cannot.
It won't come off easily.
Till now I don't know how a locket glue looks like. That's why I am trying to show it to you guys. I'm sorry guys if I'm wrong.
Leave it. First we will assemble all the set. Back side.
These bigger screws are for replacement of these two screws. Okay, 1, 2. All these screws comes inside the box, but not the Allen key. This is slightly a smaller screw, comes in the box as well. So now we have installed on one side. Now we are going to install it on the other side. Now that we have installed two sides, now we'll have to install the rear one. Please note that we are not changing the indicator position and we leaving it as it is. Now that we just have to use the 10 size spanner and tighten these small screws, and then the job is done.
No washer, huh?
No,
Along with the screw itself.
that comes with the washer.
That's all, bro. Start tightening.
So this is how the final look is: ZANA TopRack and then Royal Enfield SADDLESTAY. Hope this video was informative and useful to you. If you find this video helpful and wish to appreciate me, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye.